Iki-draft tayo kay tatay. Ang pace niya ay 30. Kaya naman natin yung asado roll, guys. Unang kagat, tinapay. Ay guys, ayusin lang natin yung notifications ng radar, di natin marinig. Happiness is not about getting all you want, it's enjoying all you have. Enjoying my ube latte. Ang popogi. Good morning, guys. Happy weekend. Happy Sunday. So we're back on the road. So we'll do a little bit of exercise naman this time. So it's 6:30 in the morning. So I'm thinking let's go MOA naman. So last time na we did a ride. So nagpunta tayo sa car free Sunday sa Ayala. So I'm not sure kung ganun pa rin yung setup ngayon sa Manila. We'll check it out. Find a coffee spot. Let's go! Right, so ang route lang natin, guys, ay we'll take Multinational, Kaingin Road, then we'll do yung airport road papunta dun sa Makapagal area, heading to MOA. Let's go! Alright, iwas tayo sa putek, guys. Ay, laging basa tong area na to ng Soledad Extension. So for sure may leaking water pipe, may nilad, may silip naman, guys. Fuck. Approaching Merville. Itong route natin, guys, actually mostly flat lang naman to. So ang kalaban lang natin dito ay maraming sasakyan, at the same time mainit. Fully exposed tayo dito sa route na to. But it's okay. It's been a while since nakapunta tayo doon. Let's check it out. Let's go! Right. So Kaingin Road. Samaan ng daan. Biyak-biyak. Airport Road, guys. Let's go! Ay guys, ayusin lang natin yung notifications ng radar, di natin marinig. So naka-off yung notification. So Airport Road. Maganda sana yung NAIA Road, guys. May bike lane. Kaya lang di naman passable. Puro drainage cover. So wala rin, iiwasan mo rin. Sayang. Right, Makapagal Boulevard, guys. Putok na ang araw. Mag-aalas 7 pa lang. Let's go! Sarado, guys, yung portion ng Makapagal. May fun run yata, which is good, favorable sa atin. Ayan, ha? Okay, so approaching MOA Arena, guys. So ganda ng basketball court na yun. Nakakainggan yung bumalik maglaro. Right, so good sign, marami na siklista. Meron na tayong kasabay, meron na tayong bubuntutan. Let's go! Right, MOA laps guys. Kain pa rin tao. Conrad. We miss yung pansit at kape rito. So, tingnan natin mamaya kung sarado yung naiisip kong coffee shop. By default, dito tayo sa Conrad guys. Right guys, so quick update. So, after ng mga bagyo at ulan, as usual, yan, so wash out yung ating mga asfalto. So medyo very rough yung kalye. Good thing ano tayo, gravel bike, hindi masyado impact. But I can imagine yung mga roadies dito, ramdam na ramdam nilang yung mga grapa dito sa asfalto. So ingat, konting ingat mga guys. Bomba ng mga boys. Siyempre hindi tayo sasabay doon guys. Ang popogi. Poging bike para kay Pogi Tog Taday. Meron tayo nakita magandang coffee shop guys, na-try natin. Ayan, sa Lanson Place. Nakita natin doon. So, off the street lang. So, para siyang cart lang ng coffee, pero mukhang masarap, mukhang premium yung coffee. We'll try. Let's go! Draft tayo kay tatay. Ang pace niya ay 30. Kaya naman. Tayo pa yung nakikidraft guys. Right, time for coffee guys. So thank you kay tatay na naka road bike, na naka blue. Nakadalawang laps din tayong nag drop sa kanya. Sarap. I need some carbs and coffee. Starting to feel it sa legs natin, but sarap guys. It's good to be back. Love it. Miss ko na mag-ride sa RFCC boys. Kaya lang masyado na silang hardcore. So hanap tayo ng timing na medyo light lang yung ride nila. Tagalong ulit tayo. It's good. Masyado bang matamis ang Brad? Ayos lang.
Pwede naman natin bawasan yung ube.
Okay, let's try on. Tsaka isang asado roll, boss.
Asado roll.
Alright. So, along the Bay Area lang siya guys. Tapos look, so may mga gandang seats. May parking doon. So while sipping yung coffee mo, you can also watch yung mga nagko-bike. So good additional coffee spot dito sa Macapagal.
Tapos pa-witness na ako sa puno.
160 tama?
Apo.
Happiness is not about getting all you want, it's enjoying all you have. Enjoying my ube latte dito sa Lanson Place. Yeah. Cheers. Lasa mo yung latte at the same time yung sweetness ng ube. Kakaiba pero masarap. Good. Try naman natin yung asado roll guys. Unang kagat, tinapay. Nakabaon pa yung ano, nakabaon pa yung feeling. Pero yung bread, sarap, parang groovy, makunat. Eh, naamoy ko na yung flavor ng asado. Another one. Worth the wait naman pala. Sarap guys. Para siyang flaky yung meat. Tapos tamang salty lang yung feeling. The best. Highly recommended guys. Done with the breakfast guys. So busog. So seriously, yung Lanson Place na coffee shop dito sa may Bay Area, panalo guys. So hindi naman siya ganun kamahalan. I think price wise sakto lang. 100 something yung drink, yung bread 110 pesos yata yung asado, pero malaki. I think good for sharing, but most especially yung drink. So important yung drink kasi it keeps you refreshed. Good try yung bestseller nila na ube latte. Not a favorite but something na must try siguro. So good. Heading back home. Daan tayo sa church dito sa Samoa. It's Sunday. So we're roughly 15 kilometers away siguro pauwi. We'll be hitting 30 plus kilometers, which is good. Happy Sunday everyone, and see you again on the next one. Let's go! Right, so daan na tayo mag-visit kay Lord. We'll be heading back home. So salamat po Panginoon sa magandang weather. Bring us back home safe. Mainit na guys. 34 degrees centigrade. 8:17 na umaga. So kailangan talaga maaga ka sa Pilipinas pag nagra-ride ka kung ayaw mo maging tostadong lechon. Right, Cayenne Road. Ang init. So namatay na guys yung computer natin. Hindi natin na-charge kagabi. So roughly less than 5 kilometers siguro to home. So shortcut tayo dito sa Merville. Let's go! Guys, malunggay pandesal muna tayo. Pasalubong sa bahay. Hi guys, so almost home. So tayo na yung computer natin, but I would guess we did roughly 35 kilometers today. So not bad after another 2 weeks na walang ride. We can feel it sa legs natin dahil we're trying to stretch na 30 kilometers in pace, but all good. Sarap na exercise, mainit na, tostado na naman tayo, may dala tayong pandesal sa bahay. Thank you for staying with me till the next one guys. Bye bye. Tama ka muna sa video ko guys. Pandesal. Hi. Back home.
Coffee tayo guys.
Suot mo na yung collar niya. Nakita mo yung collar mo.